Wow. Personal issues, sexuality, transgender discussion, stimulant discussion, jankum discussion. I used to smoke a lot of weed. Psychosis kicked in a few years deep. I have to take a second pill to counteract a side effect that will have me wake up in a pool of my own drool without it. Discontinue the medication. Completely moronic situation here. This is boring. I'm in process of letting go a nasty habit. I smoke crack. Time to get clean. Been snorting Wellbutrin on and off for the last 3 to 4 months. I'm beginning to wonder if it's going to cause long-term problems. Anyone snorted Wellbutrin for a while? Am I gonna die? It's not a stint. Why are you snorting Wellbutrin? I got really addicted to snorting that shit. It always got me high. It actually fucking works, but like someone else said, it comes at the cost of feeling weird. You done it. Congration. The pig gets grinded into some shit. Is anyone else hungry for a plastic bag full of liquid ham? Because I'm hungry. Breakfast is stupid and manufactured by egg companies. Look at them. There are still people who debate against it, aren't there? They look like little dinosaurs. Ugh, my god, this man is exactly right. Whoa, wow. It's a shame dinosaurs devolved into something as lame as birds. Why don't they kill people? Or at least fuck shit up on a bigger scale. Yeah, because we killed and outgrew those that did. Duh.
I'll tell you what, you know, it's got to be said,